Hey guys, Dr. Jordan here. I'm going to show you some arch strengthening and foot mobility exercises. These are great for all of us who are wearing shoes all day long and need to get a little more movement out of our foot. So the first one, what we're going to do is we're going to think about lifting just the big toe on its own like this. If you have trouble doing this, what you can do is lift it manually, then remove your hand, try and hold it there, let it down. But the goal is to be able to lift it up all on your own. Then you're gonna work on lifting all the little toes while keeping this big toe down. So same thing here, if we're having trouble with that, we can manually lift them and then try and hold it there, let it down. With some practice, you should be able to alternate back and forth like this. The next one we're gonna do is think about lifting the arch. You're gonna think about pulling a string straight from the arch like this. We're not curling our toes like this. We're maintaining contact here and here and just lifting the arch like this. Good. Last one we're gonna do is working on spreading our toes. So spreading them out as wide as you can, trying to create space in between each one of your little toes there. Go ahead and give them a try.